Welcome back to Money Smart Basics. I'm Alfonso, and for over 30 years I've taught financial literacy grounded in real-world principles. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Today, let's talk about making money with AI, specifically ChatGPT, as we look toward 2026. AI isn't just for tech experts, it's a tool for everyday people to build real income and security. Let's demystify AI and make it a practical asset in your financial toolkit. Let's get started. Every business needs content, constantly. With AI tools like ChatGPT, you can deliver high-quality writing faster and more affordably than ever before. Your value is in refining AI drafts, ensuring the content matches the client's brand and goals. Offer efficient modern content creation services and solve a major pain point for businesses. So, how do you turn this concept into a real, income-generating business? You start small and focused. Don't try to be a content creator for everyone. Instead, choose a niche you understand or are interested in. Maybe it's content for real estate agents, email marketing for dentists, or social media posts for local restaurants. By specializing, you become an expert. You learn the specific language, challenges and goals of that industry, which allows you to create far more effective content and command higher prices for your specialized knowledge. Your expertise, combined with AI's efficiency, is an unbeatable combination. Next, you need to build a simple portfolio to showcase your capabilities. You don't need to have paying clients yet to do this. Choose 3 imaginary businesses in your chosen niche and create a small content package for each. For example, for a fictional local bakery, you could use ChatGPT to help you write 2 blog posts, a week's worth of Instagram captions, and a promotional email. You then refine these pieces to perfection. This portfolio is your proof of concept. It demonstrates to potential clients that you can deliver professional, polished work that meets a real business need. With your niche selected and your portfolio ready, it's time to find your first clients. You can start with your local community. Reach out to small businesses and offer them an introductory package. You can also use freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, but be sure to create a profile that highlights your unique value proposition. AI-enhanced efficiency combined with human-led strategic quality. Frame your service not as I use ChatGPT, but as I provide fast, high-quality, and affordable content solutions to help your business grow, which is a much more compelling message. As you gain clients, focus on delivering exceptional results and building long-term relationships. Your goal is to move from one-off projects to recurring monthly retainers. This is how you build stable, predictable income. A client who pays you every month for content services is a financial asset. By leveraging ChatGPT to handle 80% of the drafting work, you can service multiple retainer clients simultaneously without becoming overwhelmed. This is the blueprint for scaling from a simple side hustle into a full-fledged, profitable content creation agency. The second real way to build an income stream is by creating and monetizing faceless YouTube channels. For years, many people have been held back from starting on YouTube by one major fear: being on camera. They felt they didn't have the right look, the right equipment, or, honestly, the confidence to speak to a lens. That barrier, for the most part, has now been completely removed. We're entering an era where the value of your content isn't tied to your physical appearance or your on-screen charisma, but to the quality of the information and storytelling you provide. This is where a powerful synergy of AI tools comes into play, creating a complete production workflow. First, you have ChatGPT, which will act as your tireless scriptwriter. You can provide it with a topic, like the history of ancient Rome or top 5 budgeting techniques, and it can generate a detailed, well-structured, and engaging script. It can write in different tones: educational, entertaining, mysterious, allowing you to create a wide variety of content without ever having to write a full script from scratch yourself. This single step saves an incredible amount of time and creative energy. Once you have your script, the next step is the narration. Instead of recording your own voice, you can use incredibly realistic AI voiceover generators. These are not the robotic, monotone voices of the past. Modern AI voices have inflection, emotion, and clarity, making them almost indistinguishable from a human narrator. You can choose from a variety of male and female voices, accents, and styles to perfectly match the tone of your channel. This allows you to produce professional-sounding audio for your videos consistently and efficiently, without ever needing a microphone. The final piece of the puzzle is the visuals. Instead of filming yourself, you will use vast libraries of high-quality stock footage, images, and animations. There are numerous platforms that provide millions of video clips covering virtually any topic imaginable. By combining these clips in a sequence that matches your narrated script, you can create a visually compelling video that looks highly professional. The combination of an AI-written script, an AI-generated voiceover, and curated stock footage creates a complete monetizable YouTube video, all without you ever appearing on camera. The key to success with a faceless YouTube channel is the same as any other successful business: choosing the right niche. You need to select a topic that has a clear, identifiable audience and sufficient interest to attract views. Think about evergreen topics, subjects that will remain relevant for years to come. This could include history, science explainers, financial education, book summaries, meditation guides, or true crime stories. The goal is to create content that people are actively searching for, providing them with value that keeps them watching and subscribing to your channel. Once you have your niche, you must establish a consistent production and publishing schedule. This is where the efficiency of AI becomes your greatest asset. Because the process of script writing, narration, and visual assembly is so streamlined, you can batch produce your content. You could dedicate one day to generating 10 scripts with ChatGPT, the next day to creating the AI voiceovers for all of them, and then spend a few days editing the videos. This factory-like process allows you to build a backlog of content and maintain a consistent upload schedule, which is crucial for growth on the YouTube platform. Monetization on YouTube primarily comes from the YouTube Partner Program, which places ads on your videos once you meet the eligibility requirements. Currently 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Your entire strategy should be built around reaching these milestones. This means creating high-retention videos. Your scripts need to be engaging, your visuals need to be interesting, and your topics must be compelling. The goal is to create videos that people not only click on but watch all the way through, as this signals to the YouTube algorithm that your content is valuable. Beyond ad revenue, a successful faceless channel opens up multiple other income streams. You can promote affiliate products related to your niche in your video descriptions, earning a commission on sales. You can create and sell your own digital products, such as an ebook or a course that dives deeper into your channel's topic. You can also attract brand sponsorships once your channel grows. The faceless channel is not just a video project, it's a digital asset that you're building, one that can generate diverse and substantial income for years to come. The third principle for building wealth today is creating and selling digital products. People don't just want information, they want clarity, structure, and a guided path. A well-crafted ebook or planner is a cultivated garden, offering a clear map for the harvest. With tools like ChatGPT, you can quickly organize knowledge and package it into solutions that truly help others. Build it once, and your digital product can serve thousands, creating lasting, God-honoring wealth. How do you turn an idea into a digital asset with ChatGPT? Start by identifying a real need. What are people struggling with? Use ChatGPT as your assistant to outline, draft, and refine a helpful guide or resource. Add your own insights, then design it in Canva to make it appealing. Now, you have a digital asset, ready to help others and generate income, even while you sleep. Selling ChatGPT prompt packs is a powerful, overlooked business model. The right prompt unlocks AI's true potential. Just like a key opens a treasure chest, most people get generic results and give up, not realizing a great prompt makes all the difference. By selling prompt packs, you're providing the keys to better results, clarity, and efficiency, empowering others to succeed with AI. Start by choosing a niche you know well. Don't try to create a prompt pack for everyone. Focus on a specific group with a specific need, like small church pastors or Etsy sellers. Test and refine your prompts, documenting what works best. Organize your prompts clearly, add explanations, and package them in a professional PDF. Find your audience online, share value, and build trust. Soon, your prompt pack becomes a valuable digital asset. Offer AI automation to small businesses, freeing owners from repetitive tasks like emails and scheduling. With tools like ChatGPT, you build systems that save them hours every day. Set up chatbots to answer customer questions instantly, letting owners focus on growth and relationships. This service creates recurring income for you and lasting value for them, a true win-win. Building a recurring revenue engine is easier than ever, thanks to no-code platforms like Zapier and Make. Start by learning one platform, then help a local business automate repetitive tasks, like answering customer questions. Focus on delivering real results and document your impact. With each success, you build momentum, reputation, and a scalable, predictable income stream. The principle of being one step ahead is key in AI coaching or consulting. You don't need to be a world-class expert, just one step ahead of those you help. Your recent experience is your qualification. Guide others through challenges you've just overcome. Show them how to write prompts, structure content, or set up automations. Your progress is valuable. Use it to help others and build your practice. Once you're one step ahead, it's time to turn your knowledge into a coaching offer others can buy. Start with one-on-one sessions for personalized, high-touch guidance. As you gain experience, move to group coaching or workshops to reach more clients. Offer tiered options, from premium consulting to online courses, to serve clients at every level. Structure your offer thoughtfully to build a sustainable, recurring coaching business. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn online, now supercharged by ChatGPT. You become a trusted guide, recommending products that solve real problems, earning commissions with every sale. With ChatGPT, you can create persuasive content at scale, blog posts, reviews, emails, freeing you to focus on strategy and growth. Build multiple income streams, no inventory needed, just connect needs to solutions and let your content work for you 24/7. To succeed in affiliate marketing, move beyond generic content. Build trust with your audience through strategic, detailed content. Use ChatGPT to craft helpful stories and reviews that answer real questions and make products relatable. Repurpose your content across formats, blog, video, social, to reach more people and boost conversions. Focus on serving your audience, and your recommendations will be trusted and effective. Print on demand lets you sell custom products like shirts, mugs, and tote bags without upfront costs. Just create text-based designs using ChatGPT, add them to items, and upload to platforms like Printify or Printful. Focus on messages that inspire or connect with communities. When someone orders, the platform handles printing and shipping, and you keep the profit. To scale your print-on-demand brand, think like a brand builder, not just a product seller. Define your brand's identity, humorous, inspirational, or niche-focused, and use ChatGPT to create aligned product ideas and marketing copy. Research with tools like eRank and ChatGPT to find trending keywords and underserved niches. Upload new designs consistently. Each one is a digital asset, building your income over time. We have just walked through 8 tangible, practical, and hype-free strategies for generating real income with ChatGPT in 2026. From providing high-demand content services and building automated YouTube channels, to selling digital products and creating message-based merchandise, the opportunities are abundant for those who are willing to learn, adapt, and take decisive action. This is not about getting rich overnight. This is about understanding the principles of value creation and leveraging a revolutionary tool to build sustainable, long-term wealth systems. The future is not something that happens to you. It is something you build, one strategic decision at a time. The information you've received today is the blueprint, but a blueprint is useless without a builder. It's time for you to take that first step. If this video has provided you with clarity and a sense of direction, I ask you to do 3 simple things right now. First, like this video to signal that this content is valuable. Second, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss the next step in our journey together. And third, go to the comments section and type AI income to declare your commitment to building your future and to connect with a community of like-minded action takers. Many people will watch a video like this and do nothing. They will be consumed by analysis paralysis, waiting for the perfect moment that will never arrive. But you are different. You understand that knowledge is only potential power. Action is what unlocks it. In the upcoming videos, I will be breaking these strategies down even further. I'll show you how to turn this knowledge into a simple, step-by-step plan you can begin implementing this week. We will go deeper into the practical how-to of setting up these income streams. So stay tuned, stay focused, and stay ready. The economic landscape is shifting rapidly, but you do not need to be a victim of change. You can be a beneficiary of it. Now is the time to prepare, to build your skills, and to position yourself for the opportunities that are right in front of you. Remember the fundamental principle: money favors preparation, not panic. The work you do today is the foundation for the security you will have tomorrow. Thank you for investing your time with me. I'll see you in the next video. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.